We've got a quick unboxing of the Zoom H5 handy recorder. Let's see what we got here, give you guys an idea of the size of the packaging. That's about 8 inches top to bottom. About, what do we got? It's about, let's say 6. It's about 4. It's about 4 this way. I'm gonna try to make this snappy. Let's see here. Alright. Oops, batteries just fell out from the bottom half. This is your box. This is the bottom of the packaging, or I guess the top of the packaging. These fell out from here. Manual and everything else right here. Okay, and this is what the bottom looks like. So you've got your batteries, you've got your charging cable, some sort of, it's foam. That's probably the padding for the case. Let's see what this case looks like. Oh, that's the windscreen sponge. Oh, yeah, that's the windscreen sponge. Case, cable, windscreen, batteries, manual. Let's see what's inside. Now I want you guys to kind of get an idea of what you're dealing with when you get this. Again, from tip to here is 8 inches. This is about 4 inches, so you have an idea. And when I'm holding this, let's see what we got here. Padded. Some extra stuff there. Ooh. It's quite small, which I like. Let's see if I can get this to slide out easy. Yeah, this feels and looks amazing. Look at this thing. Got your buttons here. Tripod mount, you've got volume, you've got headphone jack, line out, USB, DC 5-volt connection, power on, hold. There are 2 XLR inputs. Curious to see how this comes off the top. I'm sure you'd probably just squeeze these 2 buttons. That's your mounting system. It's pretty neat. Let's see if I just pop it back on. Yep, just pop it back on like so. And to open this battery compartment, so I picked up this H5 handy recorder Zoom with hopes of doing a lot of, that's your SD card slot, with hopes of doing a lot of recording and doing some audio work. But I think at the time right now, it's been almost a week and a half, I still haven't used it, so I'm going to return it. So doing just a quick unboxing for those who are curious about the size, the build. It feels relatively lightweight. The body feels lighter than this piece at the top. This piece actually feels like it has most of the weight. Again, this is just the unboxing, first impressions of the XYH5. Designed by Zoom in